and welcome back.
My name is Shamsal Daniels.
And my name is Vicky Shanobel.
And my name is Emily Henderson.
And we are happy to present to you our first volunteer for Term 3, 2019.
After a much needed break, it is good to be back to college and ready to learn new things.
At the end of last term, we held our annual sports carnival. It is always good fun.
Let's take a look. Learning the rules of the road help keep everyone safe, and taking driving lessons is a good way to become a better driver.
Danelle and Riccardi had a go last term.
Show your license and be proud.
I'm about to go driving.
So you're looking forward to it?
Yes.
So, what have you got in your hand?
I have my driver's license.
Hey, magic. Is that good to get?
Yes.
So where did you drive to in the end?
Around town.
what part do you think you're better at than others?
The changing the gears, I'm better. So,
Yeah?
like instead of parking there and making it roll back, so you gotta start it and make it go forward instead of rolling it down and making it go forward. Yeah.
I'm bad to go driving.
Yirara have so many electives, it is hard to decide which one we will do next.
A few of our fellas made some pizzas.
Right, ready? Everyone?
3 minutes for our brownies.
Okay, everyone quiet, ready, set, go.
Hey, but how long you open? My name's Darius and we just finished making a pizza. As you can see, we got pineapple on it, cheese and some bit of vegetable, and that's it. Bye.
Hi families, we are waiting for the chocolate brownies called brownies. It was good. It was splendid. It was good.
Good? So you guys want to have a go? What are you waiting for?
We're waiting for the chocolate brownie. Chocolate brownie. He was making it with a bare hand.
And we finished with our pizza now.
Get
We love it when your Yirara Aunties help with worship.
End of last term, they sang for us in Pitjantjatjara.
Only a few days into term 3, and here are a few things we have enjoyed already.
Played Minecraft. Games.
We enjoyed playing games.
Draws. Pitjam.
Using charcoal, I draw a pot.
Made some fresh fruit sticks.
We're making fruit stick at Yirara.
Enjoyed worship with Miss Rebecca.
And you say, I want to make good choices today. And you start on that good foundation. Even if you make some mistakes along the way, that's okay, because God and us will be here to help you.
And get ready for next week NAIDOC Week celebration.
Events held right around the country, including the NAIDOC Awards, which recognise Indigenous people who have done significant things.
That's Yirara TV for this week. We look forward sharing so many stories with you over the coming weeks.
Check us out every Friday on YouTube,
Facebook, and be sure to subscribe, like, and share.
Take care and stay safe. Bye.